Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English learning episode. Today, we will learn something powerful and enjoyable at the same time. Today, we will learn how to improve your English by watching movies. This method is fun. This method is natural. This method is effective. Millions of people have used movies to improve their English without feeling bored. And if you follow this method correctly, you will also see real progress. Let us begin. Introduction. When people think about English learning, they often think about grammar books, vocabulary lists, exercises, heavy textbooks, and long lessons. But the truth is simple. If you want real improvement, you must learn English the same way native speakers naturally speak it. Movies give you that opportunity. Movies give you natural expressions, daily sentences, real pronunciation, real rhythm, and real emotion. But here is the problem. Most English learners watch movies in the wrong way. They sit down. They play a movie. They watch it like normal entertainment. They hope their English will improve automatically. But nothing improves. They do not understand. They get lost. They miss many sentences. And in the end, they feel discouraged. Today, you will learn how to watch movies in a way that truly improves your English. Part 1. Why movies are a powerful English learning tool. Movies are powerful for 4 simple reasons. First, movies show real English, not textbook English, real English. People speak fast. People use contractions. People use daily expressions. This is the English you must learn if you want to sound natural. Second, movies give you context. Context means everything around a sentence. For example, if you hear the sentence, you may forget it. But if you see the character, the situation, the emotion, and the action, your brain remembers it. Visual memory is strong. Third, movies help you learn pronunciation. You hear how native speakers move their mouth. You hear how they connect words. You hear how they stress certain words. This is something books can never teach. Fourth, movies make learning enjoyable. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster. You learn more. You remember more. Your brain pays attention because you are not bored. This is why movies are an excellent tool, but only if you use them correctly. Part 2. The wrong way to learn English with movies. Many learners make the same mistakes. They watch movies with their native language subtitles. This means they read in their own language, not in English. Their brain focuses on reading, not listening. Their English listening improves very slowly. Some learners watch movies with English subtitles, but they do not pause, they do not repeat, and they do not study the expressions. The movie becomes too fast. The learner cannot catch every sentence. In the end, they finish the movie, but remember almost nothing. Some learners choose movies that are too difficult. A difficult movie can make you tired, frustrated, and confused. For example, movies with heavy slang, strong accents, or very fast speaking. When the movie is too difficult, your brain cannot learn well. Some learners try to understand every single word. This is a mistake. When you try to understand every word, you break the flow. You pause too much. You lose interest. Your brain becomes stressed. The better method is to understand the meaning, not every word. These are common mistakes. Now, let us learn the correct method. Part 3. The correct method to learn English with movies. This method has 3 stages. The first stage is understanding. The second stage is practice. The third stage is repetition. Let us start. Stage 1. Understanding the movie. Choose a simple movie. If you are a beginner or intermediate learner, Choose a movie that has simple dialogue, clear pronunciation, and everyday language. For example, family movies, animation movies, or light comedy movies. These movies use simple English and are easier to follow. Do not choose complicated movies in the beginning. Complicated movies can wait for later, when your English becomes stronger. Now that you have chosen your movie, watch it with English subtitles. Not subtitles in your language, only English subtitles. Your goal in this stage is simple. Understand the general story. Do not try to understand every sentence. Do not try to catch every word. Just follow the story. This stage is for general understanding. Stage 2. Active practice with scenes. After watching the movie once, choose one scene. A scene should be short, between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Short scenes are easy to study. Short scenes have repeated expressions. Short scenes help you focus. Now play the scene again. Watch it with English subtitles. Then watch the same scene without subtitles. Now pause after each sentence. Listen to the sentence. Read the sentence. Say the sentence. Repeat the sentence 3 or 4 times. You must speak. Speaking trains your mouth. Speaking builds muscle memory. Speaking helps you improve your pronunciation. Listening alone is not enough. After that, watch the same scene again without subtitles. Can you understand more? Most learners understand more the second time because their brain is now familiar with the expressions. Do not rush. Take your time. Study one scene every day. Even one scene a day will slowly improve your English. Stage 3. Repetition until mastery. Repetition is the key. Your brain remembers only with repetition. If you watch a scene 1 time, you will forget it. If you watch a scene 5 times, you will remember it better. If you watch a scene 10 times, the expressions become natural. This is the method actors use. This is the method children use when learning language. And this is the method you should use too. Repeat the same scene for several days. Repeat the same lines until you can say them without reading. Repeat the pronunciation until it feels natural. Now move to the next scene. Do not study 50 scenes in one day. Study one scene every day. Slow learning is strong learning. Part 4. What you should learn from each scene. When you study a scene, learn 5 things. First, learn useful sentences. For example, if the character says, "I am trying to understand," remember this sentence. This is practical. You can use it in real life. Second, learn pronunciation. Listen to how the actor connects words. For example, in natural speaking, people say, "I am trying to understand" differently. The words connect. They sound smooth. You must listen carefully to this rhythm. Third, learn stress. Native speakers do not stress every word. They stress the important words. For example, in the sentence, "I really need your help," the stress is on the words "really" and "help." This helps you sound natural. Fourth, learn new vocabulary. But do not learn vocabulary alone. Learn it in sentences. For example, if the word confused appears, learn it in a sentence. For example, "I was confused for a moment." A sentence makes the vocabulary easier to remember. Fifth, learn daily expressions. Movies use many informal expressions. For example, "hang on," which means wait, or "hold on," which also means wait, or "come on," which expresses encouragement or frustration. These expressions help you sound natural when speaking English. Part 5. How to choose perfect movies for learning. Choosing the right movie is important. Here are the best types of movies for learning. Choose animated movies. These movies use clean pronunciation. They use simple vocabulary. They use clear expressions. They are designed for a general audience. Choose light comedies. Comedies usually have simple conversations and everyday language. Choose movies that you already know. If you know the story already, learning becomes easier. Your brain does not need to focus on the story. It can focus on the English. Avoid movies with heavy accents, strong slang, or complex storylines in the beginning. For example, crime movies, historical movies, or science fiction movies may be difficult for many learners. As your English improves, you can choose more advanced movies. But in the beginning, keep it simple. Part 6. How to use movies to improve speaking. Watching movies improves listening. But if you want to improve speaking, you must add one more method. Shadowing. Shadowing means speaking at the same time as the actor. Choose one line. Play it. Speak with the actor. Try to match the speed. Try to match the rhythm. Try to match the pronunciation. Shadowing trains your mouth. It builds fluency. It makes you speak faster. It makes you sound natural. Do not worry if you cannot match perfectly in the beginning. It takes time. It takes practice. It becomes easier every day. Part 7. How to use movies to improve vocabulary. Movies are full of vocabulary, but you must learn vocabulary the right way. Always learn vocabulary in sentences. For example, if you hear the word prepare, learn it in a sentence. For example, I need to prepare for the meeting. A sentence connects the word to a situation. A situation creates memory. Do not write long lists of vocabulary. Long lists are difficult to remember. Learn 5 vocabulary items from each scene. 5 vocabulary items a day is enough. In 1 month, you will learn 150 vocabulary items. And because you learn them in context, you will remember most of them. Part 8. How to stay motivated. While learning with movies, learning English with movies is enjoyable. But sometimes you may lose motivation. Here is how to stay motivated. Choose movies you love. If you love action movies, choose action movies. If you love romantic movies, choose romantic movies. Enjoyment is the key. Do not study for too long. Study in short sessions. Short sessions are easier. Short sessions keep you fresh. Track your progress. You can track your progress by recording your voice while shadowing scenes. After 1 month, you will hear real improvement. Reward yourself. After finishing a movie, reward yourself with something small. This helps you stay consistent. Part 9. Mistakes to avoid. Here are mistakes you must avoid. Do not watch movies passively. Passive watching does not improve your English. Do not worry about every word. Understand the meaning, not every single word. Do not study too many scenes in one day. Slow learning is strong learning. Do not choose difficult movies in the beginning. Difficult movies destroy motivation. Do not use your native language subtitles. Use English subtitles only. Part 10. A daily plan for learning. English with movies. Here is a simple plan. You can follow it every day. Watch one short scene with English subtitles. Then watch the same scene without subtitles. Then repeat each sentence. Then shadow the scene. Then learn 5 vocabulary items. Then watch the scene again to check your understanding. This plan takes 20 minutes. 20 minutes a day will transform your English in a few months. Conclusion. Movies are not just entertainment. Movies are one of the best tools for learning natural English. If you follow the method in this episode, your English listening will improve, your speaking will improve, your pronunciation will improve, your vocabulary will grow, your confidence will grow, and you will enjoy the process. Remember this simple rule: enjoyment creates improvement. When you enjoy learning, your brain works better. When your brain works better, your English improves faster. Thank you for listening to this episode. See you in the next one.